How to get an animated like button on YouTube. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I will show you how you can get an animated YouTube like button when you like something on YouTube. Now it shows you this animation and it looks super cute and super cool. So if you want to get a like button like this, follow this tutorial and you'll know. So what you have to do is you will simply open up your YouTube and you simply like a video. If you're not getting this feature, then probably you are using YouTube on desktop, because this feature is not available on desktop yet. It is just available on Android phones. So this is available on the phone. If you're using it on desktop, make sure you're using a mobile phone. Another thing that you need to do is to get this button, simply go to your Play Store right here and open up YouTube. When you go to YouTube, make sure your YouTube is updated. If you see an update option right here, then you will simply update your YouTube and you will get this option. You can see I have updated, so that is why I only get the option of open and it is updated. So I will simply go back to my YouTube and now I can select any video that I'm watching, maybe this one. And now all I have to do is just hit this like button and it will show you this animation. There you go. This is how you simply get a like animated button on YouTube. If I were a big help, don't forget to give this video also an animated like and subscribe to the YouTube channel.